Hello, my dear students. Now we are going to discuss the topic 1905 revolution which took place in Russia. Beta, the year 1905 was a turbulent time for Russia. Till now, whatever you studied in the chapter Russian Revolution, you saw that there was an autocracy in Russia. Autocracy means one man rule. That was the monarchy. The king Nicholas II, Tsar Nicholas II was there who was ruling. But as in other part of Europe, the people were agitating for the parliamentary form of government. In Russia also, the people started demanding a parliamentary form of government. So, you saw that in the year 1905, what happened? The liberals, social democrats and social revolutionaries, they came together and started demanding for a parliament. Who were social democrat? You know, social democrats were the association of the workers, socialist association of workers, and social revolutionaries, it was the socialist association of the peasants, and the liberal group. All these three combined together, and they were also supported by the nationalists who reside in the Poland, which was just near to that of Russia, territory of Russia, and Jadites. Jadidists, who were Jadidists? Jadidists were the Muslim reformers who want a change, a reform in the Muslim society. So all these combined together and they started demanding for a parliament from the monarch, that is Nicholas II. So this thing is known as the revolution of 1905 in Russia. So main thing, what happened in revolution? In revolution, liberals, social democrats, social revolutionaries, they started demanding a parliamentary form of government from the Tsar Nicholas II or the monarch. And they were also supported by nationalists in the Jedites. Now the question comes in the mind, what were the circumstances? Why people why people immediately started demanding this? What was the background of the thing? So for knowing the background, we have to go 1 year back, that is in the year 1904. In the year 1904, what happened in Russia was that the year was a very bad time for the workers in Russia. Why? Because the prices of the essential goods rose very fast. And because of the rise of the prices, the real wage of the workers goes down up to the 20%. And because of all these things, because of increasing grievances of the workers, there was a dramatic rise in the membership of a workers' associations. Various workers' associations started forming and their membership also rose dramatically at a very fast rate. And all these things were happening in the country. Then an incident occurred, and the incident was that 4 members of an assembly of Russian workers. Well, there was one Russian association which was established in the year 1904. So there were 4 members, 4 workers were there who work in the Potilov iron workers industry. And these 4 workers were also the member of the Russian worker assembly. They were dismissed from the industry. And because of this thing act as a firebreaker. And after this incident, there was a call for an industrial action. All the workers combined together and they gave a call for an industrial action. And as the result, the industrial action took place. Around 110,000 workers goes on strike at St. Petersburg. St. Petersburg was the main city of the time. They went on a strike and they started demanding 3 main things. One was they started demanding for an increase in the wage. Second, reduce in the working hours. And the third demand was the improved working condition. Okay. So these things were demanded by the workers who goes on strike. After the incidents of the dismissal of the 4 members from the Potilov iron work industry. And so from this incidents, from the strike, now the series of incidents started, and all these were together known as the 1905 revolution. Okay. So what happened after this? After this, you saw that a procession took place. The people, the workers procession went to Winter Palace. Winter Palace, the palace where the king resided. The workers combined together and they went to the king, to the monarch. And this procession was led by, the leader of this was a man known as by the name of a Father Gapon. When this workers procession reached Winter Palace, then what happened? The king ordered the police as well as Cossack. Police and Cossack. Cossack means beta the royal police. The royal police of the king who reside there in the king palace. They combine together and they attack on this workers procession. And in this attack means the king ordered them to open fire on these workers. And in this around 100 workers, 100 were killed and around 300 workers were wounded seriously. And from here there was a outbreak of the workers' anger. So the agitation don't stop here. The demands or the strike don't stop here while it increased so much by this incidents. So you saw that after this, the incidents which took place, this one in which 100 workers and 300 were wounded, known in the history by the name of Bloody Sunday, because the incidents took place on the day Sunday, and the day was, as I told you, the series of incidents started from 1905, but this incidents took place on 9th January 1905. That's why the revolution known as 1905 revolution. Now beta, after this what happened was that after this incidents, all the workers combined together and they started protesting against the king. Universities also closed down. Students also started protesting and they started demanding more civil liberty for themselves. Doctors, lawyers, all the civilians, middle class people, they all combined together and started demanding the parliamentary system of government from the king. So as the result of all this, king unwillingly have to bring a change in the governmental form and introduce a parliament. He agreed for the formation of the parliament. Okay, so now we discuss this thing. As the result, first Duma was established. The voting took place and first Duma was established. What is Duma, beta? It is the name of the Russian parliament. You saw that when you were studying the French Revolution, in that the parliament was known by the name of a parlement. In Russia, the parliament was known by the name of Duma. When in next chapter you studied about the Hitler and the Germany, there you saw that the parliament was known by the name of Reichstag. Okay. So the first Duma was established, the first parliamentary, the assembly was established by the voting, through the voting. But this lasted only for 45 days. That is 1.5 month around. And after that, the king dismissed it because king don't like any type of a questioning on his decision. That's why when these members, the member of Duma started questioning or starting suggesting the things to the monarch, then he don't like it and finally he dismissed them. Then again the election took place and the second Duma was elected. This Duma also lasted only for 3 months. Finally, now the king thought of bringing a change in the voting process. And this time, for the 3 months, and after 3 months, this Duma also get dismissed. And this time, king brought up the change in the voting process. And by the change in the voting system, what happened that when the third Duma was elected, the king packed the third Duma only with conservative peoples. Conservatives. Means the king brought a change in the voting process so that none of the liberals or the radical be the member of the Duma and got elected in the Duma. Only the conservatives were there. And you know about the conservative don't like so much changes. So the king feels safe by working with the conservative because they don't question so much with the king. So all these things happened during the revolution of 1905 in Russia. Now I have a quick revision of this. What happened if the question is asked for the 1 mark, what happened, what was demanded in the revolution of, or what was the result of the revolution of 1905 which took place in Russia? The main thing which was demanded in the revolution was the parliamentary form of government. As there was autocracy in Russia, there was an autocratic monarchy in Russia, people were demanding for the parliamentary form of government. But the king, was not ready for that. So a series of incidents took place. We discussed all that, the Bloody Sunday and all other things. Okay, and in this revolution, all the people of Russia combined together, including the liberals, social democrats, social revolutionaries, and they was supported by the Jadidites as well as that of the nationalists who reside in the Poland. So thank you.